if you just got an Apple AirTag or AirTag 2, then let me show you how to set it up and customize it to use all of its features perfectly. But before we start, if you're new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So the very first thing you need to do is take your Apple AirTag or AirTag 2 out of the packaging and then remove the protective film wrapped around it. Once the protective film is removed, your Apple AirTag will be activated and ready for the setup process. The initial setup process is pretty simple. All you have to do is just bring your brand new AirTag 2 close to your iPhone, and then it will detect that there is a new AirTag available and whether you would like to connect it with your iCloud account. If you do not want to go through this way, then you can launch the Find My application. Then you can tap on the plus icon and look for an AirTag. It will detect your AirTag. After that, you can just give it a name from the predefined list of the names available, or you can go with the custom name to have a unique identifiable name for your AirTag 2. You can also choose an emoji for your AirTag 2, and then you can just link it with your Apple account. Once the AirTag is linked with your account, it will show the last known location of your AirTag 2 in the Find My application, and you will also get many different options and settings to use with your AirTag 2. You can tap on play sound to play the chime on the speaker of AirTag 2 to locate it. You can tap on the find option to initiate the precision finding to get a step-by-step direction to your AirTag 2. You can also share the AirTag with any person of your preference and choice. And then you got other options like lost AirTag section, where you can put your contact information in the AirTag 2, and if it is lost and somebody finds it, then they can get that information to get in touch with you to return your item with your AirTag. Another interesting option is the share item location that allows you to share the last known location of your AirTag and the item attached to it with an airline or any of the trusted person. It works up to 7 days and you can revoke the access anytime you want. And then you get the option to notify you on your smartphone if you leave your keys or any item that is attached to your Apple AirTag 2 if you leave them behind. And it also gives you the option to add any exception for this feature. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.